Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Mediterranean garlic bread. Now, cute story, I was actually thrifting looking at these vintage travel books and scribbled on a little napkin in between the pages was the recipe for Mediterranean garlic bread. So I'm eager to try it out. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. Remember, smooshie that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. We also have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and we have a cookbook available, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, on Amazon and available as an ebook. I'm ready to cook. Let's make this Mediterranean garlic bread.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the